Hi everyone, welcome to Disney Fantasy Room 7034. This is a deluxe ocean view room with veranda. It opens up into a spacious area with a queen-size bed. Nightstands on both sides with plugs and USBs and a phone. Here's the desk area, comes with a hairdryer. There's cubbies above. Plenty of light. We're going to jump to the closets here. It comes with hangers. There's your life vests, laundry bag, safe, and one cubby under there. We had plenty of hangers for the trip, which was nice because there was 4 of us. On the other side, you have more hangers, more cubbies, which is great for our shoes. We were able to put a carry-on bag in there. And then you'll find your ladder that the stateroom host uses to set up the bunk beds. It is a connecting room. This trip was one of the first with the new Castaway Club bag and lanyards. We are silver members, so we got the silver lanyards this time. My kids love the cloud and blue. This was at port. Over here you can see the couch that folds down into a bed, and this also has the ceiling pull-down bed. That your stateroom host will convert for you if you have 4 in the room. My daughter is 5'9.5" now, so she has a hard time fitting on the top, but she was able to sleep comfortably on the sofa bed. Here's a little close-up of the nightstands with the plugs, drawers, and light switches. The lamps are super cute. There is a little dresser and cubbies across from the bed. Here is one of the bathrooms. This room features the split bathrooms. So this one has a sink and tub. We love the products. We always bring an organizer to hang to make a little extra room though. This is the other side of the split bathroom with just the sink and the toilet, which makes it really handy for getting ready quickly. And we love that there's liquid hand soap in both bathrooms now. There's some little shelves here. These were handy for organizing our things to get ready. This is the veranda. It does have a little bit of a cover since it's on deck 7, which was great, but very quiet room, and we really enjoyed it.